Doctors told him that knee replacements were required, but he never got them and instead was able to go play soccer on the beach with his son again for the first time in years. My name is Tony Pajuna and I'm a certified health coach. And today's story is about Tom, who I met at a networking event. And he mentioned to me that he had knee problems. And so I said to him, I can help you with that. And so we met afterwards. And I explained this unique system that I work with to him. And he told me that doctors told him that knee replacements were his only option and that there was basically nothing else he could do. But I explained to him that that's not necessarily true and that there are things that he could do. And I've seen that people get better after doctors have said that to them and they've never had to, get the replacements. So he trusted me. And after coaching him, and he's giving him this patented liquid to take that helps rebuild the connective tissue. He started to feel better, and after about a year, he got to the point where he could start playing soccer again on the beach with his son. And he told me that was such a milestone for him because he wasn't able to do that for a long, long time, and he felt like he finally got his life back when he was able to do that. So it really changed his life for the better in so many different ways. And basically, doctors sometimes don't know the most leading edge innovations in joint health, especially if they're focused on surgery. A great example of that is my mom went to the orthopedic center where they wanted to operate on my stepfather's shoulder, and he was able to avoid surgery. And she said to them, please let me explain this patented liquid to you that we work with in our system that helps people so much rebuild their connective tissue and get better and not have to get the surgery. And the CEO kind of closed the door and he's like, look, if there is anything out there that can help people avoid surgery, it's never going to pass the board here because the doctors here depend on money from the surgery. So if there's something that can help people avoid it, they don't want to hear it. And you have to understand that these people, they have bills to pay. They're scared. They don't want to have anything mess with their business model. So, I mean, it's understandable in a way that they would say that, but it's not the best thing for you if you can avoid surgery to have to get it, right? And so basically, Tom got better because he trusted me. And he was also consistent with the system. He was taking it every single day, doing the things he needed to do every single day. And you can get results like this too, if you just give it time, right? This is not going to happen overnight. It happens within, 3 to 6 months to a year. Sometimes you can feel better sooner than that, but you really want to give yourself time because your issues didn't happen overnight. So even if it takes a year, but your issues took 10 years to develop, a year is a relatively quick turnaround versus how long it took to develop those issues in the first place, right? And also you want to have a healthy lifestyle. You don't want to negate the good things that you're doing with unhealthy things, at the same time, because you're working against yourself. So Tom had a healthy lifestyle that really helped him get the results he got. And so basically met Tom at this networking event and he explained to me that he had knee issues. I helped him with those. He got better and he was able to play soccer on the beach with his son in spite of the doctors telling him that that wasn't possible. So let me know if doctors have told you that your only option was a knee replacement. And also let me know if you can relate to Tom's story and if there's anything in Tom's story that resonates with you. I really look forward to hearing you about this on this topic. And so that's it for today. And comment below, and I'll talk to you next time.